Here I have ZTE Blade V10 Vita, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. And here you have this button, Do Not Disturb. You can switch it here. Also, by holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can manage its behavior, for example, sounds and vibration, which sounds and vibrations will be enabled in this mode. You can also manage notifications. You can restrict sound notifications, you can restrict visual and sound notifications, and you can customize it for yourself. And you can also add exceptions, for example, for calls from anyone, from contacts only, from starred contacts, or from nobody. Here you can star your contacts. You can also set default duration for it here, and you can also set a schedule for this mode here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.